In the silent darkness where the light of distant stars barely glimmers, there is a place so remote that even time seems to slow. Between the stars, a solitary machine drifts, Voyager 1, carrying with it the dreams and questions of an entire planet. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was humanity's bold leap into the unknown, a mission designed to last only a few years, but destined to journey for decades. It carries humanity's hopes on a journey with no return, a one-way ticket into the cosmic abyss. It's our farthest emissary, a lonely sentinel in the cosmic ocean, drifting farther from home with every passing second, beyond the reach of any rescue. Voyager 1 was built with technology now ancient, its memory smaller than a car key fob, its data stored on an 8-track tape. Its computer by today's standards is laughably simple, yet it was a marvel of its time, crafted by hands that dared to dream big. Yet, it endures, surviving radiation, cold, and the vastness of space. For over 4 decades, it has braved cosmic storms, micrometeoroids, and the relentless emptiness, its systems still whispering faint signals across the void. It gave us our first close-up look at the giants of our solar system, Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's icy rings, but its true mission was always to reach the stars, to become the first messenger from Earth to cross into interstellar space. Voyager is a time capsule of who we were and who we hope to become. The golden record it carries holds music, greetings, and images, a message to any distant intelligence that might one day find it, a testament to our curiosity and hope. Its loneliness is profound. Signals take over 22 hours to reach it, and another 22 to return. Each message is a whisper across billions of kilometers, a fragile thread connecting us to our distant creation. Voyager is a tiny spark of human consciousness in an endless expanse, a single point of light in a sea of darkness reminding us how small and how determined we truly are. For decades we listened to its steady heartbeat, expecting silence as its power faded. Each year the signal grew fainter, and we braced ourselves for the inevitable goodbye. But we were wrong. The loneliest machine in the universe was about to tell us something new. Against all odds, it sent back a signal, unexpected, mysterious, and full of promise. A new chapter was about to begin, one that would challenge everything we thought we knew. Scientists gathered, hearts racing as Voyager's message hinted at discoveries yet to come. The silence was about to be broken. In the vast emptiness, Voyager's voice would echo once more, carrying secrets from the edge of the unknown. And Voyager's story was far from over. As it drifts ever onward, it reminds us that even in the loneliest corners of the universe, hope and discovery endure. Voyager 1's journey began in 1977, a time when humanity was just beginning to dream of exploring the farthest reaches of our solar system. The world watched as this small, unassuming spacecraft prepared for a mission that would ultimately redefine our place in the cosmos. Alongside its twin, Voyager 2, it embarked on a rare and ambitious grand tour of the outer planets, a once-in-a-lifetime alignment that allowed both spacecraft to visit multiple worlds, using the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot further into space. Using these gravity assists, Voyager 1 first visited the giant planet Jupiter, capturing breathtaking images and data that stunned scientists and the public alike. Then it soared past Saturn, unveiling the planet's mysterious rings in unprecedented detail and revealing volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io, phenomena never before witnessed by human eyes. Each image, each measurement, and every new discovery sent back to Earth rewrote our understanding of the solar system, challenging old theories and inspiring new questions about our cosmic neighborhood. After its encounter with Saturn, Voyager 1's trajectory flung it out of the planetary region, setting it on a new course, one that would take it beyond the known boundaries of our solar system toward the vast unknown of interstellar space. For decades, Voyager 1 faithfully measured the solar wind, the stream of charged particles flowing from our sun, sending back invaluable data from regions no spacecraft had ever reached. It approached the edge of the sun's influence, the heliosphere, a protective bubble that shields our solar system from the harsh cosmic rays of interstellar space. In August 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the solar wind fades and the true interstellar medium begins. The solar wind vanished, cosmic rays surged, marking a historic milestone. For the first time, humanity had touched the space between the stars, venturing farther than any object ever built by human hands. Voyager became our silent ambassador in the cosmic sea, carrying with it the golden record, a message from Earth to any distant intelligence that might one day find it. Its journey was supposed to grow quiet from here, fading into the endless dark, its instruments slowly falling silent as it drifted ever farther from home. But the universe had other plans. The story of Voyager was far from over, and the mysteries of deep space were just beginning to unfold. Voyager's greatest discovery was yet to come, waiting patiently in the darkness, ready to surprise us all. Years after entering interstellar space, Voyager 1's signal began to stutter. NASA expected glitches from aging hardware, but this was different. The signal looped a structured, repeating pattern. Nonsense, but not random. It was as if the probe was trying to say something, but its language was broken. Engineers tried to reboot and diagnose, but the pattern persisted. The attitude control system reported tiny, deliberate-seeming adjustments. The probe was reacting to something, but its voice was trapped. The mystery deepened. The machine was working well enough to create a complex pattern, but the meaning was lost. It was a paradox. Voyager was responding, but we couldn't understand. A sense of awe and unease settled over mission control. Something was happening out there, far beyond our reach, and Voyager was trying to tell us. NASA refused to see the repeating signal as a failure. It was a puzzle, a riddle sent from the edge of the solar system. The control room buzzed with a quiet intensity, every eye fixed on the screens, every mind searching for answers in the static. Teams of engineers and scientists, from seasoned veterans to young prodigies, poured over the endless streams of binary code. They debated, theorized, and tested, determined to decode the message hidden within the repeating patterns. The breakthrough came late one night. The loop wasn't random. It mirrored data from other parts of the spacecraft's memory, as if Voyager was reaching back into its own history, searching for something familiar to send home. It was as if Voyager was weaving old fragments into a new message, piecing together memories and data, trying to communicate in the only way it could. This wasn't a simple malfunction. It was organized, almost intentional. The patterns were too precise, too deliberate to be a mere accident of aging hardware. The emotional weight in the room was immense. Voyager was more than a machine. It was a messenger, a time capsule, a piece of humanity drifting through the stars, and now it seemed to be reaching back to us. Then, a young analyst noticed something remarkable. The loop changed subtly when new commands were sent. The code shifted, as if Voyager was listening, adapting and responding to their efforts. The probe was listening and responding. For the first time in years, it felt as if a conversation was taking place across the void. The signal wasn't a monologue, but a dialogue. Voyager was not just sending data, it was engaging, reaching out and waiting for a reply. Voyager was trying to talk back, its ancient system straining to make itself heard across billions of miles. The question shifted. What had Voyager found? Was it echoing something it had encountered, or was it relaying a message from something or someone else? The team worked around the clock, driven by the sense that history was unfolding before their eyes. Every new line of code, every shift in the signal brought fresh hope and deeper mystery. The loneliest machine in the universe was no longer alone. For the first time in decades, Voyager was not just a silent traveler, it was part of a cosmic conversation. Something out there was answering, and as Voyager listened, so did we, waiting for the next word in this extraordinary dialogue across the stars. As the team decoded the signal, Voyager's science instruments sent back stranger data. The magnetic field became unnaturally stable, impossibly uniform. The cosmic ray detector swung between overwhelming floods and eerie silence. The probe's trajectory shifted, tiny, precise course corrections as if being guided. No known object could explain these changes. It was as if Voyager had entered a vast, invisible structure. The data didn't align: calm magnetic fields, chaotic cosmic rays, and mysterious course changes. The laws of physics seemed to twist. The scientists realized Voyager hadn't just entered a new region of space. It had entered a place where the rules were different. The universe was stranger than we imagined, and Voyager was deep inside the unknown. The puzzle was only growing. For months, Voyager 1's strange behavior was NASA's secret. Then Voyager 2, billions of miles away, began to act up. Its data stream flickered, then looped in the same bizarre pattern. The odds of two identical malfunctions were astronomical. Both probes, separated by vast distances, were experiencing the same phenomenon. This ruled out hardware failure. The cause was external. The effect was vast, something enormous enough to envelop both probes. Voyager 2's instruments confirmed the same stable magnetic field and wild cosmic ray surges. The mystery had doubled. Two ancient explorers, both crying out from the darkness. Whatever they'd found stretched across a huge swath of interstellar space. NASA's awe deepened. This was a discovery that could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. The question was no longer what they'd found, but what they were inside. With two probes reporting the same impossible data, theories exploded. Some suggested unknown natural phenomena, magnetic tunnels, cosmic filaments, but these couldn't explain the intelligent-seeming signal loops. A radical idea emerged. What if the probes had encountered an artificial field? An advanced intelligence could create the stable readings, shield the probes, and interact with their electronics. The signal loop might be a handshake, an attempt at communication. Some even wondered, what if the intelligence was the field itself? Could space in certain regions be conscious? The Voyagers hadn't just entered a structure, they'd entered a place where space itself was alive. The data suggested a boundary, a perimeter. The probes had crossed into a place not meant for them. The signal wasn't a cry for help, it was a doorbell. And someone, or something, had heard it. We stand on the edge of the greatest discovery in human history. Our farthest messengers have found something waiting for us in the darkness. The emptiness between the stars is not empty at all. The signals from the Voyagers are the first words in a cosmic conversation. Are they skimming the edge of a colossal structure, or is the presence everywhere, woven into the fabric of the cosmos? We have no answers, only deeper questions. Voyager's lonely voyage has become humanity's shared pilgrimage. The journey is far from over, it may have just begun. The loneliest machines in the universe have found a neighbor. Now, we must learn to listen. The universe is waiting for our reply.